Lease2Cash, developed by ARCHIBUS Solution Centers Romania, enables property managers to standardize and automate recurring lease administration activities, such as lease expiring notifications, billing, turnover-based rent monthly value, in order to reduce the lease administration effort and free up capacity for more strategic decisions. You have all you need in order to accelerate your company leasing processes, elevate occupancy and tenant retention rates, and also their associated revenues.
In Romania started property management services in 2010, and we immediately looked at having a web-based application software that will allow us to be very efficient and thorough in our relation with property owners, tenants and suppliers.
What are the critical aspects of the property management business?
Our initial objectives were the following. We tried to eliminate the human errors, and we wanted to have an automated process of registering payments and issuing invoices. Have a simplified, transparent and correct reconciliation process for operational expenses at the end of the year. Have a centralized system for tracking contracts, invoices and annexes. Flexibility in setting up reports with various criteria and at different moments in time. The solution provided by ARCHIBUS Romania helped us achieve these objectives.
Lease2Cash is all about leases, allows you to manage all data needed for lease contract administration as well as suppliers contract management. You can easily manage expenses and incomes. You can reduce significantly the effort and errors in the reconciliation process. Apart from that, you can make decisions based on flexible reporting available in the same application. Property management professionals need to find all the data related to a lease in a single place. In just 10 simple steps, you can register all relevant data for your lease contract or addendums. You define the leases, the corresponding space, documents, indexation, guarantees, generating rules for recurring incomes and cost chargeback. The system notifies you in due time about the expiry dates. Once the lease contract terms are defined, Lease2Cash generates recurring incomes for the billing process. You can select, verify and issue either pro forma invoices or commercial invoices for rent, services and utilities. Invoices can be issued, saved as PDF files or printed either one by one or in bulk. Then the invoices are archived. After the invoices are matched with their payments from tenants, for the unpaid amounts, Lease2Cash calculates the corresponding penalties. In this way, your landlords are sure that you protect their investment. Lease2Cash manages your operational expenses and corresponding cost chargeback. The system administrates the suppliers for utilities or services and allows you to thoroughly allocate the utilities costs pro rata or by using consumption metering indexes. Then you can invoice these costs to tenants. For property management companies, an important and time-consuming operation is the annual service charge reconciliation. Lease2Cash offers all the information needed to compare the planned and effective costs and make the reconciliation as transparent, accurate, and simple as needed. Our solution provides a high degree of automation in the process of lease management and reduces significantly time and human error rate in billing, indexing, processing incomes or expenses. It offers also the traceability needed by tenants and landlords. Now you have Lease2Cash to make decisions based on a more consistent perspective of your property management business. You have at your fingertips reports about tenant incomes, operational expenses, outstanding amounts, tenants' penalties, utility invoices, budgeted service charge and actual service charge, annual service charge reconciliation, guarantee status, operating budget, vacant spaces versus occupied spaces, custom reports. Lease2Cash empowers you to boost your operational efficiency, elevate occupancy and tenant retention rates, and increase revenues.
We are very happy with our solution and implementation by ARCHIBUS Romania, which helped achieve our objectives.